Hello students, I am Ms. Tandore. We'll start with sulfonation of amines here. Sulfonation is nothing but it is an introduction of SO3H group in the compound. So we'll take aniline as a starting material for this reaction. So in aniline C6H5NH2, when it is treated with concentrate, cold and concentrate H2SO4, then just addition of this compound takes place here and you will get this NH2 actually accept proton from H2SO4 and you will get NH3 plus HSO4 minus. For your convenience I can write here H2SO4. It is what? OH, or I'll write it as HOSO3H. So H plus is accepted by NH2. It donates a pair of electron to H plus ions and there is a formation of NH3 plus and remaining part OSO3H, that is HSO3 and 1 O oxygen. So HSO4 minus gives you the new compound. Name of this compound is anilinium. Anilinium, then hydrogen sulfate. And this anilinium hydrogen sulfate, again it is heated with concentrate H2SO4 at about 453 to 474 Kelvin. Then in that case removal of water molecule and rearranging you will get here. Actually hydrogen atom from para position is replaced by SO3H group. Then NH3 gives proton also. So one more hydrogen from this and oxygen atom gives you water molecule. Here it is NH2. So name of this compound is what? At para position there is an amino group, so it is a para amino. Then benzene sulfonic acid. Para amino benzene sulfonic acid. This is also called as sulfonylic acid. Sulfonylic acid, or it is para amino benzene sulfonic acid. Actually if you consider this compound, that is anilinium hydrogen sulfate, it contains NH3 plus ion, and last time in nitration reaction I told you wherever there is a formation of meta compound, that wherever NH3 group is present, NH3 plus is electron deficient group and so it withdraws electron pair from the benzene ring and hence meta position becomes active here. So actually instead of para compound you should get meta compound, but you are getting here para compound as it is symmetrical also, and to avoid steric hindrance. Also one more possibility that the NH2 group is protected by acetylation again, so that there is a formation of acetanilide, and this acetanilide is treated actually with the concentrate H2SO4 to form a para compound. We'll take that reaction also, that is NH2 aniline C6H5NH2. This is treated with CH3COCl, acetylation reaction in presence of pyridine. You know the reaction. So that here there is a formation of what? This one hydrogen is replaced by COCH3 group and you will get C6H5NH COCH3. HCl is removed, the Cl and removed H comes together to form HCl. And this compound actually, this is acetanilide treated with HOSO3H concentrate that is HOSO3H is what? It is your sulfuric acid, concentrate sulfuric acid. It is heated at about 453 to 474 Kelvin. As this NH, that means the NH2 group is protected by acetylation. So it is busy with, it is actually resonated by oxygen atom of carbonyl group, and hence you will get here there is no formation of NH3 anilinium ion. So you will get here para compound NHCOCH3, and the hydrogen atom of para position is replaced now SO3H group, SO3H, and this OH and replaced hydrogen comes together to form a water molecule. Now again this compound is on hydrolysis, HOH, NH2 group is retained again in the compound, and you will get NH2, NH and hydrogen atom comes together to form NH2. SO3H is already there, and remaining part CH3CO and OH comes together to form acetic acid. So here in this case, if you consider this compound, that is what? Sulfonilic acid. I'll write again the name, sulfonilic acid. Then in this compound, acidic and basic, both the groups are present in the same molecule. I'll write it here again, C6H5, NH2 and SO3H. So as this is NH2 group is your basic group and SO3H group is acidic group. So this NH2, it accept proton from SO3H group, and here there is a formation of NH3 plus, NH3 plus and SO3 minus ions. So this is a dipolar ion. Dipolar ion. Two poles are separated, dipolar ion, and this is called as a Zwitter ion. Question maybe for MCQ also. This is called as, right here, Zwitter ion. So the formation of Zwitter ion is possible in the compound where acidic and basic groups are present in the same molecule. Wherever acidic and basic groups are present in the same molecule, there is a formation of Zwitter ion. So this is the sulfonation of amines. Sulfonation is nothing but it is an introduction of SO3H group in the compound. So when aniline is treated with cold and concentrate H2SO4, you will get there anilinium hydrogen sulfate, and this compound on heating with again concentrate H2SO4 at about 453 to 473 Kelvin, you will get there final compound para amino benzene sulfonic acid. It is also called as a sulfonilic acid, and as acidic and basic groups are present in the same molecule, there is a formation of dipolar ion, or it is also called as a Zwitter ion here. As NH2 donate a pair of electron to proton, that means it accepts proton from SO3H group, and there is a formation of NH3 plus and SO3 minus ions present at para position only. This is a symmetrical compound and two poles are separated, so this is a dipolar ion called as a Zwitter ion. Next we'll see reactions of diazonium salt here.